This year we decided to visit Lower Mahananda for birds like black baza, and the best period to visit for this bird is late monsoon, that is late September. So we arrived at Bagdogra and immediately we started traveling to Lower Mahananda for next 3 days, and we were hoping for good weather. It is almost 1 to 2 hours journey from here. Our target species were black baza as well as other cuckoos like violet cuckoo and Acer emerald cuckoo. On the first day, we did not get baza or these cuckoos, but we got few other birds like great hornbill, portraits, beautiful bird. There were almost 10 to 15 hornbills on a tree. We continued our search in the tea gardens. The weather was good, clouds hanging on the mountains, but ate no luck with the intended species. At the end of the day, we got few pictures of hill myna as well as blue-throated barbet, and with that we ended our day. We finished our first day here. Next day morning we got up very early and again we continued our search, but unfortunately it was quite a overcast day with lots of rain. Rain was continued for the whole day, so we wasted our second day. In the evening there was some clear sky, but again it started raining, so we did not get any species on the second day, and we enjoyed rain from our room. Day 3, it was our final day and we were hoping for clear sky, and we were lucky. It was beautiful landscape in the morning. We started our day early and soon we got our first prized bird. On a distant perch we got this beautiful tiny bird, Eurasian hobby. It was a lifer for me. We almost clicked it for 15 minutes before it flew away. Again in the afternoon there was a small session of raining, but fortunately it cleared soon. But we were having soon we found another problem, leeches everywhere on our body. It was very difficult task to avoid them. We tried to remove as many leeches possible from our body, but they were everywhere including our shoes, so we ignored them and we continued our search for the black baza. We continued our search and then we got crested serpent eagle on a clean perch, and finally we got the first prize bird, emerald cuckoo. Although it was a low light, we made few good images of it, and then finally we got our prize catch, that is a flock of black baza which was playing on the treetop. There were almost 10 to 15 birds, and we spent almost 30-40 minutes with them. It was a beautiful sight indeed. We made few good images of it, and finally we got our prize catch. It was a successful trip after so many hurdles. So finally, it was a beautiful evening, last day, clouds climbing on the mountain and the sun setting behind the mountains. So finally it was a successful trip. Fourth day morning, we left back for Bagdogra, and we were able to capture black baza and Asian emerald cuckoo. We got violet cuckoo as well, but not good image. And surely we will come next time again.